Hello everyone, myself Sunil Shinde, and today's my video topic is what is the access modifier and non-access modifier. And today's date is 5th of November, and we will discuss about this topic. Access modifier, which is modifiers, which is provides which is used to provide the mechanism, the core mechanism to control the accessibility of our modifiers, which means modifiers are that which provides access level of characteristics, methods, variable, attributes. It's called as modifiers. What is access modifiers? Access modifiers, that modifier which provides characteristics to the class, variables, attribute, method, etc. It provides the mainly characteristics, and there are 4 types of access modifiers present in our Java language. Which first one is a public, private, protected, and default. We will discuss these 4 one by one. First of all is public. Public access modifier, which is its accessibility within its accessibility everywhere, which can we access the public modifiers with outside the class, inside the, within the class, or within the package or outside the package. Which means while using public keyword we will access everywhere, and it is we will got everywhere in the public access modifier. And the second one is protected. Protected, which means it will be its accessibility within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package, through the child class. Which means if you do not create a child class, it will be hard to access, and it's didn't get accessed from outside the class. And the next one is a private, which means its accessibility within only class. If you declare any method private, declare any variable private, it will be accessed through the class. You don't access without any with the outside the class or outside the package. The next one is the default, which means default access modifier. Its accessibility within the class or outside the class. If you have no arguments or nothing, it will be default as. And default access modifiers have it will be automatically make default. What are the non-access modifiers? We will discuss about that also. Non-access modifiers, that modifiers which is also known as keywords, which means they are used to set the characteristics of attributes, method, class, method arguments. And the access modifiers, non-access modifier, first is final, static, final, synchronized, abstract. These are the non-access modifiers. First one is a final, which means it applicable to the method, class, variable. Which means if you declare a method as a final, it can't be overridden, or it can't be changed, or it can't be overridden by any other subclass. If you declare a variable as a final, it can be changed once its value assigned, and it will be make as a constant and set as a constant. And method, variable, method, if we declare a final class, it won't be overridden or extend any other subclass. It's all about the final access modifier. And non-access modifier, second one is synchronized, which means synchronized non-access modifier. It's applicable to the methods. If you use a synchronized keyword, this method will be use compile thread, run thread, one thread at one time. It is a synchronized non-access modifier. And third one is static, which means while using static keyword in non-access modifier, it will be we don't have to create any object of class. It will be used as a static method. And final, static, keyword synchronized, public. And it will all about today's video topic. And thank you so much.